Hello, Danielle here to present my color sketchbook. Early September, when the class started, our first project was to make a color wheel. This is an example of one that you can buy online. It has been very helpful showing different color schemes. This is a digital sketch. I did it on Photoshop to help me look at the colors in the color wheel. Our second project was 4 grids with the main hues on top, then showing the tints, tones, and shades of each hue. This is a digital version of my painting. Our third project was polychrome collages. For one of the collages I did, I threw together some shapes on Photoshop to show an idea for a carnival using the scattered radial composition. Our fourth project was to make value scales. This is a digital sketch reference that I made that replicates the black and white value scale with the shades of gray in between. Our fourth project was to make value scales. This is a digital sketch reference that I made that replicates the black and white value scale with the shades of gray in between. Project 5 was to make value collages. This is a digital sketch I did of one of my collages for the project. Here is another digital sketch I did for one other value collage. Project 6 was to make a complementary grid. This is a digital version of the project. I also did this on Photoshop. Project 7 was to make complementary collages. This is a copy of my sketchbook drawing with a digital overlay of my ideas for the collages. The first one has orange and blue, the next one has yellow, green, and red-violet. This is another picture of my collages without the overlay. Project 8 was to make saturation scales. Here is a digital copy of what blue and orange look like mixed with each other, little by little adding more until the other color is 100% the opposite color. Project 9 was to make a painting with a color scheme and show low and high keys. Here is a sketch from my sketchbook with a digital overlay of the painting I chose. The color scheme I used for my painting was yellow, orange, blue-violet, and blue-green. Here is another example of a potential painting. This one shows how it would look with high keys and low keys. Project 10 was 2 as 1 and 1 as 2. This is a digital copy that I made on Procreate, showing how two colors can be one when placed next to different colors. This Procreate design I made to show how one color can look like two when placed next to different colors. Project 11 was called Color Effect, Color Choice. I had 3 different ideas, but I decided to choose this painting I found online and sketched it out. This is a picture of my sketch with digital overlays showing the 3 different color schemes. For our last project, the ideal landscape, I chose to use this landscape of the desert. My 2 color schemes I chose was red, blue, and yellow, and red-violet, blue-green, and orange-yellow. Well, this is the end of my presentation. It has been a pleasure being in this class and to be able to create fun paintings and collages. It is very useful to have the references we've made. I can see myself using them in the future. Thank you.